to the outside. You could do it the same as this if you start on the inside, or another way you could do it is fold this together, like finish your edge here and start. I'll take it back, leave this extended for now. We're gonna fold the other side. Start on the outside and finish on the inside. So you could do one way and one the other way, but in terms of bias application, in our shop we have an attachment to our machine that does like that double fold, and you just put the edge in and it does it all in one. And so then when we pull it to the inside, it's already super clean. Unfortunately, we don't have this here, so I'm going to just do it this way. So we're going to finish it on the outside first, doubling it. Put our seam. Again, the seam allowances go toward the back. And I'm on the front now, so my seam allowance is actually going to go up because these go forward, right? And the reason you want to watch seam direction, so for example here, this is going toward the front. If I make the upper side go to the back, this is going to twist on the inside. So you want the bottom and the top of your seams to be folded in the same direction as you cross over them. So in that case, that means the front is up. And as I get toward the end here, I'm going to cut my bias and fold it in. And that way I'll have a clean finish. I have it right underneath this piece. Fold this into the edge, and then I'll turn it to the inside. So basically what you want to see is no raw edges. Do a little tap right here. And now what I'm going to do, this is really a three-step process, but I'm going to understitch this to the bias. So your seam allowance is stitching toward the bias. Now I could, if I had done this with my folder, be finished at this point because it would all be clean and it would have this stitch. We need to do a third pass in order to do it with these machines. Catch right there.
Is that a top stitch?
It's a understitch, so it's going on the bias part and it's catching the seam. I'm just trying to imitate what my folder does. So seam allowance and the bias together. So this is, in a way, I mean, you could do a facing this way too, or you can like finish, like the armhole on this dress is done that way. You see the bias on the inside? So we use it a lot with sleeveless dresses because it sometimes facings want to pop out. So it's just a good clean finish. Then you come back and with the same color thread, of course, you would go back in and then top stitch and have it hold. Okay, and so all the way around, and that's the finish that you want. All right, thank you.